In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show week numbers in the calendar in Outlook. Week numbers are a simple but powerful way to plan projects, track deadlines, and sync with teams that schedule by week 12, week 25, and so on. Let's walk through how to display them in Outlook on the web, step by step, in a clear and reliable way. First, open your browser and head to Google. This is a quick starting point if you don't already have Outlook bookmarked. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. You'll see Microsoft's official Outlook site at the top of the results. Click that link to open Outlook in your browser. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your mailbox. If not, follow the usual sign-in prompts so you can access your account. Once Outlook is open, look to the left sidebar for the calendar icon. It usually sits below Mail and People. Click Calendar to switch from your inbox to your schedule view. This is where all your events and availability live. Next, change the view so we're focused on a single week. At the top of the calendar, select Week. This view is ideal for showing week numbers because it lays out your days side by side, Monday through Sunday, or Sunday through Saturday, depending on your regional settings. It also gives you a clean left-hand margin where the week number will appear. Now, look for the small drop-down icon near the view selector. It's typically next to the week label and opens the calendar's view options. Click that drop-down. These options control how the calendar looks and what information is visible, and it's the quickest way to ensure the week context is front and center. With the week view active and the options accessible, you'll see the week number displayed along the left edge of the calendar grid. It's a compact label that helps you instantly identify where you are in the year. If you don't notice it immediately, try glancing at the very left margin of the week row. Depending on your window size and zoom level, it may appear subtly. A quick note on context. Different regions use different rules for calculating week numbers. Many organizations follow the ISO standard, where the first week is the one containing the first Thursday of the year. If your team references week numbers, make sure everyone uses the same convention to avoid confusion. And that's it. You opened Outlook, switched to Calendar, selected Week, used the View drop-down, and can now see week numbers on the left. This small tweak makes planning faster and communication clearer. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.